Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your data analytics with Alteryx easy tutorial. Start with a clear understanding of why protecting your data analytics is essential. Open Alteryx Designer and load your data workflow. Ensure your data connections are secure by using encrypted connections whenever possible. Utilize Alteryx's native tools like the data encryption tool to protect sensitive information. Access the data encryption tool from the tool palette and drag it onto your canvas. Configure the data encryption tool by selecting the fields that contain sensitive data. Choose the appropriate encryption method based on your organization's security requirements. Once configured, run the workflow to apply encryption to your data. Next, implement user permissions within Alteryx Server to control access to your workflows. Navigate to the Alteryx Server admin interface and set up user groups based on roles. Assign specific permissions to each group, ensuring only authorized users can access sensitive data. Regularly review and update user permissions to maintain security as team roles change. Consider adding logging and auditing features to monitor who accesses your data and when. Incorporate version control to track changes made to your workflows over time. This allows you to revert to previous versions if necessary, protecting against accidental data loss. Lastly, always back up your Alteryx workflows and data regularly. Store those backups in a secure location to ensure data recovery is possible in case of a breach. By following these steps, you can effectively safeguard your data analytics within Alteryx. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.